Welcome. In this video, we'll check what sound settings you need to change and what 400% volume feature does on your smartphone. So let's actually start with the 400% volume feature, which enables once you hold down your finger on the volume up button for several seconds. Let's clear up what it actually means. So this mode doesn't literally quadruple your sound power. It's more of an audio booster feature designed to amplify certain frequencies and loudness levels in specific conditions like noisy environments or speaker calls. When turned on, it pushes the audio gain beyond the default cap, boosting loudness particularly in the mid-range where voices sit. It's handy when you're outside or on speakerphone, but keep in mind it may slightly distort sound if you're playing music at max volume. And now let's walk through the sound settings you should fine-tune to personalize your audio experience. So first let's go to the settings, and in settings select sounds and vibration, and first feature is vibrating when ringing. So sometimes, especially when you're holding your phone in your pocket, you may not hear the sound due to some distortions around you, and this feature actually helps you get to know whenever someone is calling you. Now, did you know that you can individually change volume for different settings like ringtone, notifications, alarms, calls, and media, just by moving the sliders right here. And so you can also change the default volume button control, switching it from media to ringtone. You can also change the sound mode right here, but it's much more convenient if you slide down the control center and change it in this menu just by tapping on this one icon. Now let's talk about personalizing your ringtone and notification tone. So if you want to set your sound settings quick, just tap right here and select one of the prepared sound presets, which have the ringtone, the message, the alarm, and the notification sounds prepared all for you. You just have to select which preset you like the most and tap apply to apply it. But if you want to customize it more, just scroll down to phone ringtone, where you can select the SIM card to which you want to apply a ringtone. Here you can select the vibration type. As you can see, here we have a list of different options you have to choose from. You can select a ringtone from music on your device. You can also select a ringtone by taking a sound from the video that you have on your phone, or you can apply one of the various default ringtones that are available on this list. And you can also change the notification tone right here, as just like in the case of the ringtone. The notification has its own vibration patterns that you can select right here. You can also choose music from your device to set as a notification tone, and you can also choose one of these available standard notification tones right here. Now, a sound quality and effects tab is available once you wear your headphones, and it allows you to personalize your music experience no matter whether your headset has a dedicated equalizer to it, so like a dedicated app with an equalizer. You basically have a built-in equalizer in your smartphone. Now, in more sound settings, you can also change the keypad tones from none to default to melody. Just select which one is suits best for you. You can enable sound for a screen lock by switching this toggle. You can disable or enable the screenshot sound, and you can also enable the touch sounds right here. And you can also switch this toggle to the right if you want to control app volume individually. Now the last thing we have right here is the system haptics. So if you want your phone to respond with haptics whenever you tap anything, basically whenever you interact with your phone. And you can also enable the back gesture haptics, which will turn on the haptics whenever you go back from anywhere on your phone, basically performing this or this kind of gesture. And it seems to me that I covered everything I wanted to mention in this video, so I really hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.